Your liver is basically drowning in fat right now. I know, bold claim. But if you live in America, drink sodas occasionally, or have ever looked at a donut with genuine affection, there's a 25% chance your liver looks like a stick of butter wrapped in human tissue. And here's the kicker. You probably have no idea. Because fatty liver doesn't hurt. It doesn't send you warning emails. It just sits there, quietly clogging up your body's most important metabolic engine, making you tired, foggy, and unable to lose weight no matter how hard you try. But today, I'm going to show you one simple drink, something sitting in your kitchen right now that can reduce liver fat by nearly 50% in just 2 weeks. Sound too good to be true? Stick around, because the science is wild, and the answer is going to surprise you. Most people think fatty liver disease only happens to people who drink like they're training for the Olympics. Wrong. You can be a complete teetotaler, never touched a beer in your life, and still have a liver that looks like foie gras. Why? Because we replaced alcohol with something far worse: sugar. And I'm not just talking about candy. I'm talking about your healthy morning orange juice, your granola bars, your fat-free yogurt that's basically pudding in disguise. All of it gets processed in your liver as fructose. And when your liver gets overwhelmed, it starts storing that sugar as fat. A study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that even people with normal body weight can have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Skinny people, gym people, people who meal prep on Sundays and post about it. At first, you don't feel anything. No pain, no symptoms, just a slow accumulation of fat cells that turns your liver into a sluggish, inflamed, metabolic disaster zone. And that's when everything else starts falling apart. Your energy crashes, your brain gets foggy, and your body refuses to burn fat no matter how little you eat. But here's the good news. Your liver is actually really good at healing itself. Give it the right tools, and it'll start repairing damage within days. The problem? We keep feeding it the wrong stuff. See, your liver has favorite foods, nutrients that calm inflammation and tell your body to stop hoarding fat like a doomsday prepper with commitment issues. Things like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and berries are packed with compounds that reduce oxidative stress inside your liver cells. When you switch to these foods, your body literally flips from store everything as fat mode to burn fat for fuel mode. Research published in Cell Metabolism shows that cutting refined carbs and focusing on whole foods can drop liver enzymes, markers of liver damage, in as little as 7 days. But eating better is only half the battle. Because if your liver is already stuffed with fat like a Thanksgiving turkey, you need something that helps flush it out faster. And that's where timing comes in. When you give your liver long breaks between meals, insulin drops. And suddenly your liver goes, "Oh, I can finally burn this stored fat." This is the entire logic behind fasting. And studies show it works. Fast. By the way, if you want to know which type of fasting burns fat faster, watch this previous video. You're welcome. A randomized trial in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that people practicing time-restricted eating reduced liver fat by up to 4.5% in just 12 weeks, without even cutting calories. But here's where most people screw it up. They fast all night, give their liver this beautiful 12-hour window to detox and burn fat, and then bam! They slam a giant glass of orange juice and a bowl of sugary cereal first thing in the morning. Insulin skyrockets, fat burning stops, liver goes back into storage mode. So what should you drink instead? It's not green juice, it's not apple cider vinegar, it's not some $47 detox powder from Instagram. It's lemon juice. Yes, the humble, unglamorous, sitting on your counter right now lemon. Now before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out, because the science here is legit. Lemons are packed with bioflavonoids and antioxidants that help your liver neutralize toxins and break down fats stored inside liver cells. These compounds act like little cleanup crews, binding to fat molecules and helping your body flush them out naturally. But here's the real deal. Lemon juice boosts bile production. And bile is literally how your liver pushes fat and waste out of your body. A study in Biomed Research International in the United States found that citrus bioflavonoids significantly reduced liver fat accumulation and improved liver enzyme levels in participants over a 12-week period. Translation? Lemon juice gives your liver the go signal to start burning and clearing fat. Here's how to use it. Every morning, on an empty stomach, during your fasting window, drink 1 glass of fresh squeezed lemon juice mixed with lukewarm water, about half a lemon in 8 to 12 ounces of water. This keeps insulin low, boosts hydration, and gives your liver the raw materials it needs to detox and regenerate. People report feeling less bloated, more energized, and mentally sharper within just a few days. And liver enzymes? They can start improving within 24 hours. But wait, there's a sidekick to this story.
If you want long-term protection, you need backup, and that's milk thistle. This purple plant contains an antioxidant complex called silymarin, which not only protects liver cells from toxins, but actually helps them regenerate. Think of it as hiring a repair crew and a security guard for your liver. Milk thistle reduces oxidative stress, calms inflammation, and preserves glutathione, your body's master detoxifier. When glutathione levels stay high, it sweeps away all the chemical residues, sugar byproducts, and metabolic junk clogging up your liver. So here's the power combo. Lemon juice opens the pathways. Milk thistle keeps them clear. Together, they create a defense and repair cycle that keeps your liver running like new. This isn't a hack. It's a metabolic reset. But here's the reality check. No drink, no supplement, no magic potion will save your liver if you go back to processed sugar and constant snacking. Sugar is the enemy, not fat. So if you want lasting results, eat whole foods, give your body rest between meals, and make that morning glass of lemon water your non-negotiable daily habit. Now, before you go run to your kitchen and start squeezing lemons like you're training for a lemonade stand competition, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Cheers!